We live in a world that never stops talking. Every second, someone is uploading, liking, sharing, or reacting. From breakfast photos to late-night thoughts, the internet hums with endless noise. Everyone seems to be showing something: what they wear, what they eat, what they believe. But then there are the quiet ones, the ones who stopped posting. No selfies, no stories, no updates, just silence. And in that silence, there's something strangely powerful. Maybe you've noticed it too. A friend who once filled your feed suddenly vanishes. No drama, no announcement, they disappear. You might wonder, did something happen? Are they okay? But maybe their absence isn't about something being wrong. Perhaps it's about something being right. See, we've been taught to believe that visibility equals value, that being seen means being relevant. But what if the people who step away aren't losing anything at all? What if they're actually reclaiming something? Something we've all quietly been missing? Because the truth is, silence online doesn't always mean silence inside. Sometimes it's the opposite. When you stop performing, you start listening to yourself, to your thoughts, to the world around you. And that can be uncomfortable at first. You realize how much of your attention was shaped by how others might react. How much of your self-worth came from numbers, comments, or emojis. But here's the twist. Stepping back from social media isn't just about disinterest. It's often a kind of detox, a way of asking, who am I when no one's watching? Think about it. When you post, there's always an invisible audience in your mind. You're curating, filtering, and presenting. But when you stop, that audience disappears. And what's left is just you, the unedited version, the version that doesn't need to be liked to exist. Maybe the person who stopped posting isn't disconnected. They're finally connected to something real. Perhaps they found value in privacy, peace, and presence over pixels. Because in a world that rewards visibility, disappearing can be a radical act of self-respect. There's beauty in not needing to prove you're living well, in knowing your worth without announcing it, in being seen by fewer people but understood by yourself. So when you see someone go quiet online, resist the urge to assume something's wrong. Maybe they're simply choosing to exist without an audience. Perhaps they've found comfort in the space between scrolling and stillness. And maybe, just maybe, the real question isn't why they stopped posting. It's why the rest of us can't.